Welcome to this Risk Manager Overview video from Xactium Cloud Solutions. It demonstrates the ease with which you can manage and monitor risks important to your organization. As a risk professional, you can access all your data simply by logging into the system using your secure username and password. Here you can see the homepage for the Group Risk Officer from TF Group. Get an instant overview of your risk status via custom dashboards and activities. With centrally managed risk information, you and your team are only a click away from everything you need. Scroll down to view all of your outstanding tasks and approvals. See what matters to you. Monitor and manage all key information, whether it's relating to a specific business unit, your risks, or your controls. From the Business Units tab, access all your business units and all the risks and controls associated with them. Let's look at TF Group in more detail. Hover over the links at the top of the page to get an up-to-date snapshot of risk assessments and controls associated with TF Group. Select View Hierarchy to reveal your organization's structure. Use the Risks tab to view your individual risks. Here you can access any existing risks or create a new risk. Filter risks by existing categories in the drop-down or create your own view at the click of a button. Let's look at a risk in detail. Here is the risk, bribery and corruption. Let's select a date for review. View the inherent, residual and target risk ratings and track any activities, notes or changes in an auditable way. You can see all the edits, who made the edit and when from the risk history for full accountability. Remember, all fields are customizable and new ones can be added as required. When it's time to complete a risk assessment, simply select New Risk Assessment and fill in the corresponding information. Let's look at an example. You can quickly clone an existing risk assessment to create an identical copy for updating. On the new risk assessment, let's update the date. The new risk assessment shows that only the financial residual risk impact score has changed. Let's update it and hit Save. Notice that the residual risk rating has now changed to yellow to reflect the change. In addition to creating assessments, you can add actions, associate controls, and link to corporate objectives. KRIs, incidents, and audits may also be linked to risks. Associate multiple controls with as many risks as you need. Use the search and filter functions to help you find the relevant controls. Whether you're logged in as a business unit user or as a group user, you can see what matters to you. Sophisticated role profiles and permissions for each type of user allow you to tailor the level of information shown. As a business unit user, the London Risk Officer accesses only the risk data for the London business unit. Returning to the Group Risk Officer's profile, you can see they have an unrestricted view across the organisation. It only takes a minute to run an up-to-date risk report. Choose from a wide selection of standard MI reports, custom PDF reports, or create your own. Simply select Risk Register Report from the Custom Link menu and select which data you need to include in the report. Click View Report and it's all done. Anytime you need an overview of your risks, go to the Risk Map report and select the relevant business units. That's up-to-date risk visibility across your organisation from Xactium Risk Manager. For more information, visit Xactium.com.